Hi, today we have a Jeep Compass. I'm going to show you how to change the rear wheel bearing. You can diagnose by raising the vehicle and turning the wheels, but because it's not moving very much, you can't hear on camera, and I can hear that this bearing is making noises. So that's why I'm going to replace this bearing from the right side. I'm going to start by removing the wheel. Next, I'm going to open these two bolts with 14mm wrench so I can remove the brake caliper and brake pads. Next, I'm going to remove the disc. I'm going to hit it with a hammer here, and after that I can remove it very easily. Sometimes it can be removed without hammering, sometimes have to hammer it a couple of times. I can't with one hand, sorry. Next, I'm going to remove this pin, remove the safety metal bracket, and I can open the nut with 32mm wrench. So now the CV joint is free, and the last thing to do is to open these 4 bolts at the back. They can be opened with a 17mm wrench, and after that I can remove the whole hub assembly. I have removed the 4 bolts that hold the bearing. So next I'm going to remove the ABS sensor because it's connected on the bearing, and after that I can pull out the bearing from the vehicle. I have managed to remove the bearing. You just have to pull out slowly. So now I'm going to install the new one. Here I have new wheel bearing that I'm going to install on the vehicle. This is the part number. Just pay attention to this metal part where the sensor for the ABS is. I have installed the new bearing, tightened the 4 bolts with 17mm wrench, and also I have installed the ABS sensor. It's a little tricky to put on the metal pin, but it can be installed with some patience. Next, I'm going to return the disc, and also I'm going to tighten the center bolt with 32mm wrench. I have tightened the center bolt with 32mm wrench, installed the security pin, installed the brake disc. Now I'm going to install the brake pad at the back, and also I'm going to install the brake caliper. I have installed and tightened the brake caliper, tightened it with 14mm wrench. So now I can lower the vehicle, install the wheel, and also I can do a test drive. So now I'm doing a test drive. There is no more noise from the bearing. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.